Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, nasa Naiya Terminal 3 tayo ngayon. And we're going to do another travel vlog. We're going to Singapore and Bangkok from March 20 to March 25. So samahan niyo. So guys, ang binook ko flight ay Scoot papuntang Singapore. So 6:30 yung flight natin. So yan yun. TR397. Pero hindi pa bukas yung check-in counter. 2 o'clock pa lang kasi. So baka mga 3 or 2:30 magbukas. So magbayad muna tayo ng tax, ng travel tax. So medyo maraming tao ngayon. Thursday. So pansin ko nga puro Thursday lagi ako nagpa-fly. Okay guys, katapos na natin ng immigration. So, punta tayo ng airport lounge. So, basic pulse lang siya. Kaya lang may pila. So, nagpa-waiting list ako.
A few moments later.
So, naisa nakapasok ako sa pulse lounge na i-text din ako ng patong. Hello, I'm having country. So, 4:30 na yung boarding time natin. So, gate 102, so malayong lakaran na naman ito. Travel time natin is 3 hours and 40 minutes. So, departure time is 6:30. So, mga 10:15 sa Singapore na tayo. So guys, quick tour ko lang kayo bago tayo pumunta sa gate. So, ito yung mga usual na pagkain dito. Yung mga nachos, bread, pasta, siyempre yung siomai. Yan yung siomai. And ice cream. Favorite ko dyan yung vanilla. And yan, congee. The beverages. And coffee.
Singapore waiting. Next group number to flight 5J5054 over Tokyo, Narita, Argasa sign at the boarding group 2. Once again, boarding group number 2, you may now board aircraft using gate 109. Please have your individual boarding pass and passport ready for scanning and presentation at the gate.
So that's our gate. Gate 102. Hindi siya pinalitan. So that's our plane. Scoot. First time to ride Scoot.
Scoot flight TR397 from Singapore is now boarding through gate 172. Requesting all Singapore bound passengers on Scoot flight TR397. Please wait aircraft to gate 172 all were placed.
Strap to tighten. Inflate your life as only at Jackson. To inflate, pull the rate tabs firmly downwards. To inflate it further, blow into these tubes. There's a light and a whistle for attracting attention. Special life belts are available for children under the age of 4. Ladies and gentlemen, as we'll be landing shortly, please kindly ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened and your window shade should be thrown up. Headphones or earphones must not be worn, and charging on portable electronic devices are not allowed for landing and taxi on arrival until the seatbelt sign are switched off. And please refrain from using the toilet, stand in the cabin, or open the overhead compartment until the seatbelt sign are switched off. Thank you.
Hi guys, nasa arrival section na tayo ng Terminal 1 ng Changi Airport. So yung biyahe natin medyo maalog pag sa Singapore area na dahil nga may thunderstorm. So yun guys. Anyway, kung makikita nyo, carpeted yung kanilang floor dito sa Terminal 1 and mostly sa lahat ng area dito sa arrival section. Yun guys, sakay, very spacious. So after a long flight, di ka ma-stress dahil hindi siya mukhang crowded. So pagbaba nyo dyan guys, yan yung immigration. So makikita nyo na may mga sign. So guys, madali na yung immigration, automated lang din. So you need to, you need to scan your passport and picturean ka, then thumbprint. Parang lumalabas ka lang din sa e-gate natin sa Pilipinas. We're going out na. Labas mo dito yung jewel na eh. So pagkalabas nyo ng yan, yung arrival area, Terminal 1, immigration. Ito na yung jewel. The vortex. Welcome to SG Singapore. So guys, sa Jewel, maraming mga spots na where you can get good photos and videos. Ito sa second floor. So guys, yung train na yan yung Sky Train. So it connects both Terminal 2 and Terminal 3. So, sa Terminal 1 tayo ngayon. So, hanapin natin kung paano tayo makakapunta ng Terminal 2 or Terminal 3 para makasakay tayo ng SkyTrain na dadaan sa Vortex. Mamaya hanapin natin. So guys, ang Jewel ay entertainment and retail complex. So, mall siya. May mga restaurant dito, may mga store such as Adidas, Foot Locker. Nakita ko habang nag-iikot dito. Then, naghahanap na din pala ako ng ATM kasi need na natin mag-lunch and kailangan ko rin mag-video. So, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung saan tayo makakita ng ATM after natin mag-ikot dito. So, yan guys, immigration ng Terminal 1. Arrival section. Saka yung kabila, arrival section. Sa gitna ay yung ATM machines meron. Nag-withdraw sa UOB. Yan. Wala naman ako naging issue. Very straightforward yung instruction. Tapos yan na. Paglabas, Jewel. Lunch muna tayo guys. So, I have big fries, nuggets, coffee, and apple pie for $12 Singapore dollars. So, times 43 nyo na lang yun.
A few moments later.
So yan guys, nasa loob na ako ng SkyTrain papuntang Terminal 2. So sa level 2 ng Terminal 1, nandun yung SkyTrain papuntang Terminal 2. So from Terminal 2 naman, sasakay tayo ng SkyTrain again para papunta naman sa Terminal 3. Yun, para makadaan tayo sa Vortex. Buti naman guys, tumila na yung ulan. Sana hindi na ulit umulan. So guys, nasa SkyTrain na ako papuntang Terminal 3. So yun. So ito yung dadaan sa Vortex. So pagbaba nyo nung SkyTrain from Terminal 1, katabi lang niya yung SkyTrain na papuntang Terminal 3 kung saan ito ay dadaan sa Vortex. So yun guys, para ka lang nagra-round trip. So papasok na tayo. So let's enjoy the view. So guys, sasakay na tayo ng MRT going to city. So nasa pagitan siya ng Terminal 2 and Terminal 3. So guys, ito yung Changi Airport Station. Yan. Green line. Pwede nyo gamitin yung mga credit cards nyo na may Visa, may Mastercard. So ako ginamit ko lang is Metro Bank World. So, ang rota is punta tayong nasa Changi Airport tayo. Bababa tayo ng Tanah Merah. Tapos lilipat tayo sa EW4. Then, papuntang Raffles Station. Ito yung mapa. So, nandito tayo ngayon. Bababa tayo dito para lumipat sa EW4. Tapos, papuntang Raffles kasi doon malapit yung aking accommodation. So, yan. Hintayin lang natin yung next train. So, ito yung pwede. EasyLink. Next. Mastercard Visa. Wala pa yung ibang card ng ano. Like JCB and Union. $14 minutes yung ating train. So yun guys, yung train papuntang Tanamera. So guys, ito yung train na galing Changi Airport. So nasa Tanamera na tayo. Tapos, labas lang kayo sa EW4 na Tanamera to City. Yan. Tagusan kasi yan. So yung isa naman is papuntang Paris, Greece. EW1. So dapat alam nyo kung saan kayo tatagos. Ay, lalabas. Yan. Lakas ng ulan. So, bawal kumain at uminom sa MRT. Manugarin nyo. Yan yung mga fine.